Have you boarded the car? This small increase in market share is declining, and capital overflow in this sector is about to take off. OpenAI is about to release the Sora AI sector, which is rising across the board. What are the worth buying? Bitcoin will halve in April 2014. Note when bull market will occur before and after halving. Big Shot's speech worth noting. He nearly went to jail, now the man behind cryptocurrency circle. Additionally, PPI data in the United States has been released. How will the US economy impact the cryptocurrency circle? Then this is the Bitcoin trading pair of OKX exchange. Let's zoom in and take a look at this retracement. I made a slight change and put the current price at 0.786, recent daily level of Bitcoin. Downward momentum of bulls and bears showing signs of exhaustion. Previous video mentioned I believe Bitcoin will fall near 52K. How is situation? Is it falling as expected? Neither bulls nor bears particularly strong during weekend. Based on downward expectations, I believe Bitcoin will continue to fluctuate in near term between 0.618 and 0. That is also above $50,000 and near $52,000. I think it is a relatively strong main area for Bitcoin, which is around $56,400. We can see from the weekly level in the front that $52,000 is still a difficult position to break through. But after breaking through, I think the market will rise to around $60,000 because we can see it in the front. Bitcoin, which has risen to around $60,000 in several attempts, broke through from $40,000 to $50,000. It took a total of 7 candles and 49 days. I believe that Bitcoin will continue to repeat this time cycle near $52,000. Recently, the market share of Bitcoin has been gradually decreasing, and the entire AI sector has risen across the board. There are also hints in the film to buy CHKW welded Tau and RMDR, and Tau, this token, has repeatedly hit new highs. RMDR has also hit new highs repeatedly. We have eaten all the meat in this wave. As for WLD, it has recently been influenced by OpenAI and has been rising all the way. After all, it is a project launched by the same founder. As for WLD, as the leader in the AI sector, I think everyone should. In this round, it's worth holding after all. The leader of the AI sector depends on tokens like WLD. I think it's worth buying when there's a dip. After all, strong momentum doesn't turn back. Before WLD, AGX was once the AI sector's leader. Its current price has already returned to the vicinity of its high point since launch. Everyone should pay attention and remember to add these tokens to your watch list when there's a dip. After the decline, remember to buy, and of course, you're welcome to join the community meeting and announce tokens for first time. This VIP has almost been jailed. He's made divine predictions before, and it seems the current situation is following the rules he mentioned. CJ has experienced 3 halvings, and his first point is that at this moment he believes that there will be a lot of idle chat news, hype, and so on. It is true that there are news and hot topics in the cryptocurrency circle every day. He believes that after the halving, Bitcoin will not suddenly skyrocket, and people will have doubts. Based on this point, we can see that there is no major problem when combining it with the data from the Zhaosheng exchange. After all, the PPI data disclosure state of the United States has repeatedly delayed the overall market's expectation of interest rate cuts. In May, it was believed that the market's expectation of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve was still very low. The overall market expectation is probably that a wave of interest rate cut expectations will come around September or even November this year. According to the verification of CEZ's point of view, the most important thing is the third point. Reducing the price of Bitcoin by half for a year will result in a new historical high, which is of utmost importance and holds significant value. Combining the Fed's expectation of about 3 interest rate cuts in 20 years, Powell said that the number may be higher than this. In short, the US easing will definitely promote the global economy as a whole, so I think it is not difficult for Bitcoin to reach a new high again. This is what everyone thought in the last bull market, that is $100,000. It is highly likely to be seen in this round. Recently, there have also been very powerful activities launched. As long as you predict the price of Bitcoin daily, you can get 0. 5 Bitcoins and a Tesla Model Y will be given away to one lucky user every week. I will put the details below the video. It's very simple to participate. For Bitcoins, you just need to log into Binance every day, predict the future price of Bitcoins, and the user with the most accurate prediction will be rewarded. Binance gives away 0. 5 Bitcoins, wow, extremely powerful. If you want a Tesla, it is also very simple. Just complete the contract transaction, meet the transaction volume, recommend a friend to participate in the lottery to get the red envelope sent by CEJ this wave. You must catch it. It's real money, so I think October this year deserves your attention. First, there will be a general election this year, combined with the halving of Bitcoin, so now meeting the end of the year, the currency circle will give you a satisfactory answer. Remember that the circle of crypto rises and falls is normal. When it's crazy to fall, remember not to be afraid, buy directly, and make money by trading coins with me on Twitter. The movie ends here today. Bye-bye.